Increased fineness of cement. A. Affects only early development of strength. B. Affects only ultimate strength. C. Does not affect strength. D. Reduces early strength. During mass concreting, which cement is recommended? A. Rapid hardening cement. B. Low heat cement. C. Quick setting cement. D. Sulfate resisting cement. The rate of hydration and hydrolysis of cement depends upon its A. Soundness. B. Fineness. C. Setting time. D. Tensile strength.
The commonly used cement in cement paint is A. Low heat cement. B. Quick setting cement. C. White cement. D. Sulfate resisting cement. If P is the standard consistency of cement, the amount of water used in conducting the initial setting time test on cement is A. 0.65 P. B. 0.75 P. C. 0.85 P. D. 0.90 P. In cement, the compound that sets first after adding water is A. Tricalcium silicate. B. Dicalcium silicate. C. Tricalcium aluminate. D. Tetracalcium aluminoferrite. Le Chatelier test is used to detect the unsoundness of cement due to the presence of A. Silica. B. Alumina. C. Freeline. D. Iron oxide. To produce low-heat cement, it is necessary to reduce the compound A. Tricalcium silicate. B. Dicalcium silicate. C. Tricalcium aluminate. D. Tetracalcium aluminoferrite. The best application of pozzolana in cement concrete is in A. Dam. B. Bridge. C. RCC slab. D. Domes. For complete hydration of cement, the required water-cement ratio is approximately A. 0.25 B. 0.38 C. 0.50 D. 0.60. Excess in lime causes the cement to A. Shrink and integrate. B. To shrink and disintegrate. C. Expand and integrate. D. Expand and disintegrate. The diameter of plunger used in Vicat apparatus. A. 20 mm. B. 5 mm. C. 10 mm. D. 15 mm. Efflorescence in cement is caused due to an excess A. Alumina. B. Silica. C. Iron oxide. D. Alkalis. Newly constructed pavement with ordinary Portland cement attains its working strength after A. 7 days. C. 21 days. B. 14 days. D. 28 days. When combined with cement, which of The following constituents of pozzolana combines with the free lime released during the hydration of cement. A. Silica. B. Alumina. C. Iron oxide. D. Magnesium oxide. Fineness of cement is measured in the units of A. Volume mass. B. Area mass. C. Mass volume. D. Mass area. Vicat's apparatus is used to perform A. Fineness test. B. Consistency test. C. Soundness test. D. Compressive strength test. The two main compounds of Portland cement are A. Tricalcium silicate and dicalcium silicate. B. Tricalcium silicate and tricalcium aluminate. C. Dicalcium silicate and aluminate. D. Tricalcium aluminate and silicate. The development of strength of cement and its fineness are related as A. Inversely proportional. B. Directly proportional. C. Not related. D. Randomly connected. The addition of pozzolana to Portland cement may A. Decrease in early strength. B. Increase in early strength. C. Decrease in curing time. D. Increase in permeability. Which one of the following is responsible for initial set and high heat of hydration? A. Tricalcium silicate. B. Dicalcium silicate. C. Tricalcium aluminate. D. Tetracalcium aluminate. In soundness test by Le Chatelier's apparatus, the increase in the distance between the pointers should not be more than A. L to 2 mm. B. 3 to 5 mm. C. 5 to 10 mm. D. 10 to 15 mm. The diameter of needled in Vicat apparatus for initial setting time is A. 0.5 mm. B. 5 mm. C. 1 mm. D. 10 mm. Fly ashes residue generated from A. Chemical industries. B. Hydel power plants. C. Nuclear power plants. D. Thermal power plants. The normal consistency of ordinary Portland cement is about A. 10%. B. 30%. C. 20%. D. 40%. For testing the compressive and the tensile strength of cement, the cement and mortar is made by mixing cement and standard sand in the proportion of A. 1:2. B. 1:4. C. 1:3. D. 1:6. The expansion in Portland cement can be tested by A. Fineness test. B. Soundness test. C. Setting time test. D. Normal consistency test. Final setting time of OPC should not be more than A. 10 hours. C. 6 hours. B. 8 hours. D. None of the above. The four main oxides present in ordinary Portland cement are 1 कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड, 2 सिलिकॉन डाइऑक्साइड, 3 एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड, 4 फेरिक ऑक्साइड. Which one of the following slows down or retards the setting action of cement? A. Sulfur trioxide. B. Alkaline. C. Calcium sulfate. D. Magnesia. Which of the following minerals has more than 50% share in rapid hardening? Cement. A. Tricalcium aluminate. B. Tricalcium silicate. C. Dicalcium silicate. D. Tetracalcium aluminoferrite. Which of the following cements is recommended for underwater construction? A. Portland cement. B. Pozzolanic cement. C. Sulfate resisting cement. D. Quick setting cement. Water cement ratio to determine compressive strength of cement is taken as A. 0.2, B. 0.4, C. 0.3, D. 0.5. Which of the following has maximum percentage in composition of cement? A. Silica. B. Lime. C. Alumina. D. Sulfur. According to Indian standard specifications, initial and final setting time for ordinary Portland cement is A. 30 minutes and 600 minutes. B. 60 minutes and 300 minutes. C. 60 minutes and 600 minutes. D. 30 minutes and 300 minutes. Rapid hardening cement can be obtained by A. Addition of calcium sulfate. B. Addition of gypsum. C. Fine grinding of clinker. D. Higher content of lime. Alumina as ingredients of ordinary cement imparts A. Strength to the cement. B. Color to the cement. C. Plasticity to the cement. D. Quick setting property to the cement. Which of the following tests detects presence of uncombined lime in cement? A. Fineness. B. Initial setting time. C. Soundness. D. Consistency. Rate of increase of compressive strength of pozzolanic cement as compared to Portland cement during first week of setting remains A. Slow. B. Random. C. Fast. D. None of the above. The initial setting time for ordinary Portland cement as per IS specifications should not be less than A. 10 minutes. B. 30 minutes. C. 60 minutes. D. 600 minutes. Which cement has higher corrosion resistance? A. Having higher tricalcium aluminate. B. Having higher dicalcium silicate. C. Having higher tricalcium silicate. The most commonly used retarder in cement is A. Gypsum. B. Calcium chloride. C. Calcium carbonate. D. Sodium chloride. The soundness of Portland cement can be tested. A. By specific surface analysis. B. By Le Chatelier's apparatus. C. By Vicat needle. D. By sieve analysis. Number of cement bags in 1 meter cube volume is A. 50 bags. C. 25 bags. B. 30 bags. D. 35 bags. In Portland cement, calcium chloride is most widely used for A. Reducing curing time. B. Increasing strength. C. Improving consistency. D. Reducing initial and final set times. White cement should have least percentage of A. Aluminium oxide. B. Iron oxide. C. Silica. D. Sodium oxide. The size of cubical mold for testing compressive strength of cement shall be A. 70.6 mm. B. 150 mm. C. 100 mm. D. 50 mm.